You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this goddess. Oh, that's a different name, that's also confusing. So how do you pronounce this? Originally in Greek, this is said as Circe, but in English it is generally said as Circe, although in American English you may hear it sometimes said also as Circe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.